When the EMD Serono Research Institute embarked on a 140,000 square foot expansion to its Billerica, Massachusetts campus, in order to centrally house 300 scientists focused on cancer, fertility, neurodegenerative diseases, and rheumatology research, achieving excellence in every aspect of the project seemed to be the goal. In addition to being completed on an accelerated 19-month schedule with 370,000 man-hours with zero OSHA recordable injuries, it also came in under budget and earned a LEED Gold rating. Tony Meenaghan, Senior Director of U.S. Facilities Engineering at EMD Serono, discusses how the research goals of the scientists help to drive the level of performance during construction.
So from the outset, we used the end use of the building in many ways. Again, it really brought together everybody on the same page, because it wasn't just any commercial building, you know, a library or an airport. It was quite a unique building whereby, you know, if we built an environment which allowed scientists to excel and create innovative technologies and processes, we could help speed up the time to find a breakthrough in oncology. It made the architects think differently, it made the builders think differently, but ultimately it was the pride in the workmanship on the site when the guys came to site, that it wasn't just any construction site. It was really a site to help for social impact for everybody, you know, because as we know, 1 in 6 people in our family and friends unfortunately will be diagnosed with cancer, and it really was an opportunity for those guys to give back and help us in the goal to find the cure. Historically, you know, construction projects, engineering projects, we don't share best practice as well as we should do. So I think every project, you know, has good parts, and if we share best practice and lessons learned, you know, it's going to help us with our next projects. So, you know, Project Unity had some wonderful best practice. You know, we didn't get it all right, but we did some things simply very well. And I think, you know, 2 or 3 I'll pick out is communication, open and clear, transparent communication. I think respect between all the partners would be key. I think having a common goal to build a building, you know, for 300 scientists to find the cure for something, I think it's quite a unique project, and leverage those type of projects to really drive a new culture. And I think, you know, if you do that successfully, you know, you bring a lot more, you know, pride and passion into these projects, and sometimes it's hard to measure that. But again, on Project Unity, we measured that by a fantastic safety record. 370,000 man-hours, no lost time injury. Our punch lists were minimal at the end. And more importantly, we had contractors who wanted to come back to the project and not do 2 or 3 other projects at the same time. So we actually were a priority for them, because we had a greater social impact because of what the project was ultimately going to deliver.
To learn more about this project and the other 2012 FM Excellence winners, check out the August 2012 issue of Building Operating Management.